Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is June 2012, variant 43, and question number 11. Topic is an O-level sequence. We have given the circle, okay, and dots on it. So number of dots you can count even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for 8, okay, and one dot is inside, total 9. So it means this dot here 9. So diagram 1, 9 dots are there. Similarly, diagram 2, I did not show 17 dots. Area of the largest circle, because we have a, for example, when you talk about this circle, there's another one outer, outside, okay, and this is called outer. So area of largest circle, so here because its diameter is a 1, so area of the large circle he took as a pi, okay. So then similarly here 4 pi and 9 pi on onward. Total length of circumferences of circle X, circumference 1 here. Here we have 2 circumferences, and okay, onward we have the total lengths of circumference of circles. Okay, so 6 pi, 12 pi, and onward. Okay, this is actually answer. Don't say circles. Okay, there are circumference of in shape of in the term of the pi. So we have given table, and then we have to find number of dots in. First of all, fill the table, and marks for it is 4 marks. So let's see how we can fit it. So you can see here, this is a 9 plus 8, 17. So this is a plus 8, plus 8. So 8, and we can see here, so it is 25. So again plus, because 17 plus 8, 25. So you can see plus 8. So this is also plus 8, and this as well plus 8. Okay. So we can answer directly. So plus 8, we got a 33. Okay. So, and plus 8 again, you got a 41. So it's clear. Okay. So let's talk about this one. How deal this one? So pi, actually we have if you look at carefully, this 1, 4, 9. These are square numbers. 1, 4, 9. So square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25. And he kept pi, so I will keep pi as well. Okay. What about this answer? So we can do it many ways, but I can see here, so 2 1s are 2, he write down 2. 3 2s are 6, he got a 6. So 4 3s are 12, he got a 12. 5 4s are 20, so I will get 20. And next sum is 6, so 6 5s are 30, so 30. And pi, so I'll write pi and pi. So there is another way even, but I think this is a better way. Number of dots in nth diagram. So dots are here. So you know that formula is arithmetic progression, because first term is 9 and common difference is coming 17 minus 9 is 8, 25 minus 17 is 8, so 8. So formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times to D. 9 comes here, so D comes here, and open the bracket. 8 times to n is 8n, and 8 times to 1 is 8. And we're getting 1 plus 8n. This is our nth term formula for the dots. Okay, so it means we got it. Now he's asking that give me n when dots are 1097. So simply, so first of all, I will write formula here. 1 plus 8n, then I bring it here. I will not keep in the place of n, no, this is the dot. So here I will keep it 1097 equal to 1 plus 8n. So 1 subtract here, 197 minus 1 equal to 8n, and 8 divides. So 1097 minus 1 by 8. And let me calculate the value. Okay. So 1097 and minus 1 divided by 8, it is coming 137. It means 137. Pattern number 1, pattern number 2, 1, the 9 dots, 2, 17 dot, 3, this. So there is 137 pattern, and dots are 1097. Okay. So in terms of n pi, we have to answer area of the largest circle. Okay, so largest circle is here, actually here. Okay, and we're looking for the nth diagram. So we can do because easy way. I said before, if I'm looking for n1, I have to write here 1 square, 2 2 square, 3 3 square, 4 4 square, 5 5 square. So I can say answer directly n square. So answer is coming for this. So Tn for this is n square, and pi multiply every time. See, pi multiply. So after having n square pi, this is our answer. Okay, let's go for the next one. Next one is asking no, diagram not n, not 100, not, okay, so just 3n. So when I do 3n, so in the place of n, I will put simple 3n. So it becomes, answer comes 9n square time to pi. So this is my answer, because I simply I replace, for example, in 100, I will put 100, I put 100. It said no, 3n, so put 3n here, put 3n here. Answer comes this one. So in terms of the n and pi, the nth term of total length of circumference of circle. So this nth term I need to produce. I have another way even, you can check it here. What is number here? So this number and this number 1 here, add, he got 2. This number and this number he add, he got a 6. And pi aside, 3 and 9, 12, 8 pi aside, 4 and plus 16, 20 pi aside, 5 plus 25, 30 pi aside. So I think similarly, if I have the nth term for it, so you can see here, just make an extra column to understand. So what is answer here? This is nth term, and here nth term I have it 1 plus 8n, and this nth term we know we have it n square pi n square pi, and what I'm doing, this and this number add and keeping pi. So this and this number add, so n plus n square and outside pi. You can see this 5 added with a number and keep pi aside. So this and this added and keep pi aside. So that's it, and I think my answer is over. So 10th term is, nth term is, answer is coming n plus n square and outside pi, and question is finished.